Welcome to My Cash Freebies. The Express site pays out $20 for each completed referral. That means for each person who signs up under your link and completes offers to total 1 credit, you get paid. If you're already a member of My Cash Freebies and just want to add the Express site to your account, scroll down and type the email address you are registered under to extend your account. If you've never been a member of My Cash Freebies before, you're going to set up a new account. When you enter your email address below, you will be forwarded to the registration page. We recommend you use a free Gmail or Yahoo email account. Some of the other email services block or bounce our notifications. Just a couple of things to note. Don't use the AOL internet service or their browsers to access our sites, and do not use a third-party program that masks or hides your IP address. Open proxy connections are not allowed. So let's get started. Enter the email address you'd like to use into the box, click Submit Email Address, and I'll see you on the registration page.